Good morning, guys. Monday, October 11th. Market started pre-market negative, but we're up now. Don't let that fool you, okay? Because it's going to lure you in at a high price, and then it's going to pull the rug right under your feet. It does that all the time. So you want to be careful. Save all the ammo you have right now for that time that we're going to have a drop for the day. And so we're going to be targeting some stuff we're going to be looking at. But first things first, let's put a couple of perspectives on the trading we're going to be doing all the time. There is micro trading, which is this guy right here. Let's just go to this one right here. See it? Baidu. We buy them in small pieces. The right stock, not just any stock. And then we'll wait for it to ripe, become a flower. Okay, so on this stock, on this particular stock, I'm up almost $1,000. I know Baidu's got a way to go, so I'm not going to cash this out. There's another one right here, LMT. Again, we're going to buy it. We've been buying in the same way. On weakness, these are great companies. It's not going anywhere. It's far from 52-week highs, so it's got a bit still way to go. Manifest is another one that I'm working on. You see it? 70 shares. It's beginning to start giving some gains. And this thing, I know for sure, Manifest is the kind of stock that is going to move up very quick. It'll just continue. When it starts going on the way up, it'll move fast, very fast. So this is micro trading. The other trading is that I've been focusing on is called Giggle, get in, get out. Now, what is a Giggle here? You see Shopify. I want to buy Shopify on a down day, not today necessarily, because if the market turns negative, I'm going to get caught in the storm. I want to buy it at 1353 right here, or even lower. So I'll wait for the market to go down. So at the lowest of the market when it opened up, it went to 1353. But I will assure you this will go down lower than that, because the market's going to turn around, it's going to go negative, but it's going to go lower, and you can catch it at a lower number. What's another one? EA right here. Okay, we can pick this up. You can build this up two ways also. You can do micro trading on it, start building it slowly, because it's somewhere in between 52-week high and 52-week, more closer to the 52-week high. So you can build this up until it gets closer to 52-week high, and then you can dump it, or you can do a Giggle, or you can do what are those we had? We had the Giggle, we had the micro trading, and there was one more method we were working on. I know there were three methods, but I probably forgot what it was. Anyway, let's just go back to our ETFs. By the way, our ETF is the safest way you can buy and sell right here. Okay, you don't want to buy it right now. It's on its way up. You want to short it? Sure, you can short it. So we can short this one. So I can sell this one right here, right? I'm going to sell it, and I'm going to pick it up. But you guys, okay, here's the deal with your portfolio. I'm going to short 20 of them at 349. Let's see if he catches up. Here's the deal with your portfolio. Because of the size of your portfolio, it's better for you guys to be heavy on the long for the ETFs than short. You know, the ratio should be 1 to 10. 10 times goes stronger on long, and 1 would be the factors. If you want to do 10 long shares, you can only do 1 short shares, because chances are, and not chances are, historically the market goes up. So if you get caught in a uptrend with the market, you'll be sitting on that short for a long time. Of course, it will come down, but it could be a quarter, 2 quarters before it comes down. So you don't want to get caught in that. So be very careful. You want to be on the long, because if the market declines, when you're long on that position, you can add to that position, and it'll eventually bounce back. Sooner or later, it'll bounce back. And so you come out of that red position, you become positive. So be aware of that. Just don't go heavy on short on the ETFs, or for that matter, any other shorts. Here's another one we can do that. I can get rid of this guy right here. 349. Okay, I caught my DIAC 349. I didn't even go limit. I mean market. I went limit on that. SPY. I'm gonna do SPY. Short 439.50. Let's see if I can catch 439.50 on it. Okay, that means I can do up to 200 shares long on this company. I mean on this ETF. So I'm only going 20 for now. If I need to add more, I'll add more. It's going up higher, so I can move my target to 439. And I don't want to do that right now because it looks like it's on the way up. 67, 70. So you know what? I will settle on 70 for now. You remember, your loss is not going to be substantial on the ETFs on the long side of it. On the short side of it, because your ratio is 1 to 10, we picked up 439.70. Because your ratio is 1 to 10, yeah, your loss is going to be small. So therefore, you've got to kind of like keep the losses minimal if you go short on it, which I don't really suggest to go short for you guys, at least for the time being. I'm going to go 20 short on this guy. Let me first sell it. I'm going to sell it. Okay, and this is the way we're going to trade this. We're going to yo-yo these ETFs during the day. And I'm going to pick up 20 shares. I'm going to short that at 362. I'll go 75. I'll go to the highest for the day so far. Okay, so that's what we are. Okay, now let's go back here. Okay, I had a couple of ETFs from Friday, which I picked up where I didn't sell. It was in the red. So most likely it's in green right now. I can get rid of them. If I go down here, let's see. Probably IWM right here. Okay. Let's see what was the highest in the IWM for today. I can dump it, just recover some. If I don't need the cash, I can just hold on to 220.70. You know what? Again, the beauty of these ETFs are that it's so safe. It's not going to hurt you. It's like you enjoy playing these, trading these ETFs because the risks are extremely small if you play them right, if you position them right. You are allowed in our portfolio, if you're working with the company, you're allowed to go as heavy as you want on your ETFs, long side of it, not the short side. So if your portfolio is, let's say, 25,000, you can go up to 50 or 60% of your portfolio. That much, no problem. See, my TQQ is probably, I want to cash it out and go short on that. Let me see. TQQ. Highest has been 129.24. I'm thinking probably market 128.24. So let me just go one more time right here. Market is fairly high up. I don't think market's gonna go much higher than what it is. Let's see what we have here. Don't get tricked into buying anything right now. Market is fairly high up, so you do not want to touch it. So let's go to TQQ. I think I'm going to dump the TQQ right now. Let me do a refresh on it. Yeah, I'm going to dump it at 129. Okay, so I'm going to sell it. I think it'll pick up. Well, yep, it's going up higher. So for that, I'm going to go market on that. Okay, here's market. And I'm going to short it. TQQQ. I'm going to do one more Q here. I'm going to do 50 of them. Up to 50 shares. I'm going to short 50 shares at 129.20. Let me see if I can catch 129.20. Why not? Yes, there's a fee associated with that. We know that. Let's go back to my page right here. Okay, so this is a day that you have gains on. You know, you don't want to touch anything. You don't want to buy anything right now. This is a day you want to get rid of your gains. So it's very crucial for you guys to understand not to touch it. Yes, sell your QQQs and then go short on it, but don't go heavy on short, Heather. You can sell them. Yes, you can sell it, clean it up right now. Market's fairly up. Go short. Start building short positions. Build up 5 at a time, and then as it goes up, add another 5 shares. But not too many shares. Be careful. You don't want to go more than 10 or 15, the most. Okay, so so this is the beauty of ETF. So it's in your portfolio. You work with it. You buy and sell them all day long. Okay, you need that little small margin to make money on. So if you have, every transactions you do, you make 10 or 20, $30, you do about 30 of them. It does add up. Trust me, it does add up. So let me just go right here. I did pick up SQQ. Well, no, I had this sold it. Okay, that's good. Oh, no, SQQ I wouldn't sell it because SQQ is the short. So if you want to sell it, that's fine too, but I wouldn't sell it anyway. Let's see. Just check on my short positions right here. I know I picked up the DIA, 20 shares. Huh. Where is my DIA? Let me do it this way. I don't seem to be able to find it, so let me do it this way. You can go a little bit more than one. You can do 3 or 4 shorts on it. Because you want to be able to at least, cash out some stuff. Okay, DIA. Let me see what the DIA is. I know I did DIA. Right here, DIA. I did 20 shares. Okay. It's still sitting here, has not moved. I have a feeling it's going to it will tend to go down, most likely. It will go down. Let's see if I have any QQQ on this. No QQ got picked up. And I don't think SPY got picked up. See, 20 shares right off the bat. I got $5 gain on it. And I do not want to sell my SQQ. SQQ is the short for the QQQ, so you do not want to sell it now. Hold on to it. And my TQQ did not get picked up. Nope, did not get picked up. All right, so we'll just wait. And I know for sure they're going to get picked up. Okay, two's good. Stop building it. If it goes up higher, add another 2. Go up another 2. Build up on that. That's not a problem. Okay. So work with those ETFs, and from time to time, if we have a good stock, we'll throw a good stock in there, so we can do the micro trading on it. Okay. So what's good for today to pick up? Okay, on a micro trading now. On the, let's see, micro trading, I will do MasterCard. If depends on your size of the portfolio. Don't go. This is a big ticket item, so you don't want to go that big on this. Let's see. I would do DGX, Quest Diagnostics, Love, Southwest for sure because it's had some issues. So these are the ones I will pick up. IPGP. In fact, I'm going to buy some IPGP on weakness. IPGP. I'm going to do 10 shares. 158.04. See, 155. It went down as low as 155.43. So I'm going to buy it. If it went on sale for that price, most likely it will go back there again. So I'm going to wait See if I can get it. If not, that's okay. There's another day. Disney, I really want to pick up some Disney, but I think it's not the right time for me to pick it up. What else we have? Facebook, I want to pick up more Facebook, but I think there's going to be more pressure for Facebook to go down. Um, I want to pick up Otis. Otis is a great company, so I am going to. Okay, I picked up my TQQ and I picked up my QQQ. See, I bought them a limit. Okay, so Otis right here. I'm going to convert it. And you know what? Let's do this one. Let's do a giggle on this one. Let's do right off the bat. I'm gonna do 41 shares at 82.50. If I catch it, that would be great. We'll catch it probably. Okay, so what else? We did a giggle on that. GoDaddy, I'd like to build up more shares. That's micro trading. So let's do GoDaddy. It's been in this range for quite some time since its last earnings. So I'm going to do 20 shares of it. 69. I'll do 69 flat. It looks like it's on its way down. So, but it's fairly on a tight range. Okay. 5. It did move up very good, very quick. I'm up $225. I can cash out. It looks like it's may just go down a bit, but I'm not 100% sure. So I will take my time with it. Edward Life Science is a good one, but let's say again, market is up right now. We're just gonna wait for it to go down more, and then we'll make a move. Let's see. Nike's another one. Here's Nike. I want to pick up 10 shares at 151.90. If I can get it, that would be great. If not, I'll continue play with my ETFs because my ETFs are more fun, much more safer, and I know I can always recover. If I'm long, I will always recover. If I'm short, I may have to wait a little too long for it to recover. So be very, very careful when you short them. Even if you have to get out of the position, if you read, because you don't want to tie up your money at the end of the day, get out of that position. If you're losing a couple of dollars, if you're losing under $10, cash out, get out. You don't want to be stuck with that for the next day because it's just not worth tying up that much money. Let's see. SAP is another one I've been building some position on. Another great company. I'm going to go 135 on this. And I think I'm going to leave it at that for the time being. I'll see what direction the market's going to go. I'll wait for the market to find its direction. I don't think it's going to be up. I think it will come down. Yes, it is up right now, but I think it's going to come down. So let's see what direction it's going to go. Then we'll make a decision how we're going to play it. Okay, so for the time being, just take it easy. Play your ETFs. Make as many transactions as you can. Buy and sell, buy and sell.